So I'm out here at a job today in Warrenora, good old Wani, for a customer who's with NBN fibre to the curb. Now this customer's been having ongoing problems for months. NBN's connected her and they've basically said that, you know, it's all working, just plug it into a socket and it should work. And they're not sending anybody out because they're trying to tell her she's got a problem internally. Well, she hasn't really. NBN seems to have buggered this one up. So as you can see here, let me just get in here a bit. Now she's got a 10 pair cable, right, coming in. And then there's another 10 pair here which goes underneath the house to another IDF on the other side of the house. Now I'd say they'd run a business out of here before, they've got sockets everywhere. But as you can hear here, right, that's the one on the first pair, blue-white, which is on the 10 pair that's going back out to the pit. Now, I don't know why NBN doesn't do this stuff, but they're supposed to. So, look, I'm going to take you outside now and show you what is going on. So, I'm out here at the pit just in the front yard. You can see the DPU there. But they've got, you can hear my tone, coming to here, right? So we know it's getting out to the street, right? But where this is situated in the can, it's coming in on their leading cable, which is the 10 pair, which is this one going in here, right? But then it's heading back out on this one, so it's not even going to the DPU. So one of them's going that way, and then the other cable, I don't know if you can see it, there's the other one feeding up this way. So it's not even going to the DPU, it's just being bypassed, just going straight through the old can and going up, and that's the same with all those pairs. So realistically, NBN, you need to come back here, identify what's what here, right, and take a 2 pair out of this and into your DPU. Alternatively, you know, this can looks pretty good, doesn't look like there's any gel in it, so it's in a pretty good nick. But yeah, this is not a customer issue, NBN. This is 100% you know, an issue that's been overlooked by whoever the technician was. So realistically, you need to come inside, throw an FZ on it, identify your pair, connect this customer up properly. All right, bye.